Hey, what's going on, guys? So, lately I've been experimenting with time tracking, time management type software to see how much time I spend on any given project, to help bill customers and also to see how much time I've been slacking off without even realizing it. It can be pretty eye opening, believe it or not. But with this software, I found that they either charge you like $100 up front, or a monthly fee, or if it's a free version, it'll be kind of crippled. It won't have some core functionalities. And I've been looking for a new project to start coding, because I like doing that once in a while. And I decided I would do that because it's actually a pretty simple concept, just to have a timer tracking what form is in focus, and just read the form ID at the top, which correlates to a job name. So like XYZ job name dot document is the file name, and because that appears at the top, it just grabs that. And if you don't have focus, the timer will stop. And if you're idle for X amount of time, like 3 minutes is the default, then the timer will stop. And you can also set it for how long you idle until when you come back, it'll pop up with a message box. So if I'm idle for 4 minutes and I come back and move the mouse, nothing will happen. But if I'm idle for 5 minutes or more, it'll come up with a little pop-up that looks like this, and it'll say, "What were you doing?" Now, but it'll say, "Would you like to track your time for X amount of time, however long you were gone for?" And you can also do manual time entry too. Like if you were gone for 2 hours before you got into work and didn't have time to start the form, you could manually enter the time and site visit for 2 hours or whatever, and then that'll be tracked. You can do a stopwatch timer for a task that you have to go do away from the computer, but you probably won't need that. It won't idle when the stopwatch is going. You can tell it to only track forms with certain text strings, like if you only wanted to track like instances of Photoshop or whatever it be, in GIMP for photo editing stuff, you could do that. Or if you don't want to track something, you can type it in there. And I recommend setting it to start when Windows starts. It doesn't start by default. You have to change that just in case you forget to start it in the morning. And it automatically logs to the CSV files local to the executable. So that's the other thing. I don't like when some of those other solutions will log everything you do to the cloud. I don't really trust those companies. I like to keep everything kind of local. I use Dropbox. I trust Dropbox, but that's where I save my logs, just in case I lose any data. I don't want to lose my time logs. And so you can click track some time, and then you can import those log files. Select as many as you want, maybe just for the week. And you can filter out stuff or keep stuff only containing. So like if I want to get rid of all instances of Chrome, so I'll get rid of all those, and then let's say, I don't know, Winamp. Only show rows containing Winamp. So I was in Winamp for 7 minutes and 54 seconds, where you can undo all your filtering and go back and filter some more. Maybe you want to get rid of Chrome. And then maybe I want to show like notepad.exe. And then you can set it to remove all rows that are 10 seconds or less to get rid of some of the noise for stuff that you might have only been in there for a few seconds. And then you can save a screenshot to ping, and it'll keep a little total there, so you can keep that for your records or send to your client or whatever it be. Or if you just want to copy the grid to the clipboard so you can paste it into Excel and then do whatever you want with the data there. I ran this alongside with some of those other solutions, and at the end of the week my time was really close to those, within like 10 minutes or so. So that was good to see. That was right on the money with how it works. Let's see what else we got here. Pomodoro timer. The default is 25 minutes. A lot of people like that. Take a 5-minute break every 25 minutes to keep yourself fresh. It'll pop up a little timer, and then you can click reset timer or take a 5-minute break. I think that's everything. Yeah. So yeah, very, very simple, just a simple timer. And let me know what you guys think. If you have any future requests or feedback, I'd love to hear it. That's all. Be well. Peace out.